Lift up on the retainer clamp latch to open up the air box that houses the air filter. Pull half of the air box back and out of the way to gain access. Inspect the rubber bellows to make sure there are no cracks or holes. Then, slide the filter out of the air box. With a damp cloth, wipe out the inside of the air box to ensure no debris can be sucked into the air intake. Before installing the new air filter, compare it to the old one to make sure it matches.
Looks good to me.
Now install the new air filter with the cone-looking top going into the air box first. Now, reconnect the air box to make sure there is a tight seal to the new air filter. There are tabs on the air box that you'll need to align in order to get the correct seal. Once the tabs are aligned and the seal is good, tighten the clamp and close the latch.
Think ahead. Think advance.